If your goal is to make full-time income online, that means you're probably like me. And if you're probably like me, that means you tried different things. Amazon KDP, Amazon FBA, drop shipping, drop services, Etsy stores, Shopify stores, trading, reselling, even surveys, okay? TikTok shop affiliate, digital products. Like you okay, we get it. Like that means if you're anything like me, you tried it and you tried your best. Trust me when I say you're gonna wanna stick around to the end of this video because yes, I have a surprise for you, but no, I'm not gonna be selling you a course. Okay? Okay. I'm not selling you no course, babe. I have a real surprise. Stella, get into it, man. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to help you as I always do on my channel. But today I'm gonna help you to get to that bag for real, with making money online. It's not that you're not doing it right. Trust me, I'm gonna show you what to actually do and the best way to do it and break down a couple things, break down a couple misconceptions for real. If you want to know how to make money online and what's the actual best way to make money online, you found the right video. I did some digging, some experimenting, some research, and some analysis out of all the ways I just said: drop service, drop shipping, FDA, KDP, TikTok shop affiliate, reselling, digital products. Out of all these ways, the best way is actually don't click off this video because I'm going to explain what I mean. This video is probably meant for you. I understand it now. All of these methods work, but there's a learning curve for each of these methods. All of these methods work, but they don't all work for everyone. All these methods take a different amount of time to learn. All these methods take a different amount of time to practice and to become and to master. Just like any skill, just like learning to play an instrument. You learn to play different instruments at different paces. What do they make you play in school? Like a recorder? The recorder harmonica thing? Now, I'm not saying it's not difficult, but it's pretty easy compared to trying to learn how to play electric guitar. All these methods make music. Yes, all these methods make music, but there's a different learning curve for each instrument. Each instrument is a different method of how to make money online. All these methods to make money online require an investment of time. Some require an initial investment of money. I mean, you have to pay to play. Life, you have to pay to play. Like, it's gonna cost you something. It costs you time, it's gonna cost you money, and it's gonna cost you effort. And making money online is endless, but which one of these yields a quick, real return for the least amount of investment of time, money, and effort? Based on my scientific proof, YouTube. And I'm not just saying that to say that, because I'm actually going to break down how to actually make money on YouTube. I'm not just going to say be consistent, post every day. Like, that actually doesn't matter. I'm going to help you with types of channels you want to make. You too could literally be in your YouTube bag in just 2 to 3 months. Half of your research is done for you in this video if you just listen. Go grab a pen or go open your notes app, make this a pip on your screen, and take down some notes. You could easily meet the YouTube partnership, but what you want to do is build a community. You want to garner a community of loyal subscribers or continually attracting new subscribers to your community so that you're able to maximize the profit. To understand how to maximize this, you're going to have to understand two things, which is CPM and RPM. CPM is cost per meal. What this is that's how much an advertiser, a company, or a business will pay to put an ad on your video per 1,000 views. Every time you see an ad pop up at the beginning of a video, every time you have to press skip this ad, that person who owns the video, that channel, the owner of that channel is getting paid. The second thing you need to understand to really make money on YouTube is RPM, revenue per mile or MILA, how much money you actually make per 1,000 views. RPM is how much you're making in total per these 1,000 views. Now that you understand those two concepts, the second most important thing, understand how to make money on YouTube, is to understand that it's not about clout. It's not about clout, because small channels are doing this too. It's about the topic of the video. And I could sit here and tell you, oh, make sure you're giving value, but I'm not gonna sit here and say that. I'm gonna sit here and tell you what to make your videos on, okay? Because vlogging, public interviews, public discourse, pranks, those type of stuff is all fun and games until your CPM is low, because advertisers don't really care most advertisers who are actually willing to pay you don't really care about that audience. All right, I'm gonna tell you what audience they care and cater to. So this is what you want to make your channel about. So they pay big money to put ads on your channel because you have their target audience. And that is travel channels, for one. Okay, channels that talk about best places to travel, best hotels to stay at, travel, travel. Number 2, tech. And this is in no specific order. The only order is to help you guys. The only order is to help you guys. I'm really actually trying to help you guys. So, number 2, tech reviews, best tech gifts, tech countdowns, software updates, how to use like tech. Electronic companies will pay big money for their ads to go in front of videos on those channels that specifically focus on tech. Why? Because they want to sell electronics. When they sell electronics, they have big money to pay you to put more ads so they sell more tech. Okay? Another channel niche topic that if you actually are serious about making money on YouTube, you're going to want to do this. How to make money online. Just how to make money online. These channels have high CPMs for whatever reason. Maybe because it's talking about money. So advertisers will pay you big money to put ads in front of videos on channels that is about how to make more money. Number 4, again, no specific order. Personal finance and wealth channels that teach you how to invest. These are like 3 different topics. You can make it into one channel. You could make it 3 separate channels. But how to invest, how to trade, how to personal finance, banking information, banking tips, how to take out loans, how to do stuff that they don't teach you in school that people actually search up. Personal finance, encouragement, how-tos, big money, crypto channels, like I'm telling you. Real estate, anything real estate, house tours. Even people who aren't even buying houses like to look at house tours. How to get a real estate license. High CPM, high RPM. Making money on YouTube isn't just about picking a channel and doing whatever you want. Be strategic. These are channels with high CPM. These are channels that advertisers pay high money to put in front of your audience because they feel like your video is targeting who they want to target already, so they pay you more. Okay, be intentional with your channel. Be intentional with the channel you create. If you want to in the future create a secondary channel for funsies, then do that. But if your goal is to really make money on YouTube, now is the time, and this video is telling you how to do it. The last 3 I would say is cooking videos. It's not the highest CPM, but cooking, luxury content, and health and fitness content. Those also have high CPMs. A lot of these medical and pharmaceutical companies, again, will pay you high CPM dollars, high ad dollars to put their supplement ads over your videos, to put their pharmaceutical ads over your videos if that is who your channel is targeting. Now, getting paid through AdSense is not the only way to make money on YouTube, okay? So I'm gonna also break down the different ways you can make money on YouTube apart from the AdSense partnership program. You can make money affiliate marketing in your videos. You can make money on sponsorships. And how to do this, you could reach out to brands or have brands reach out to you. Brands could reach out to you if you put your email in your bio or description. It's as simple as that. You'd be surprised if your channel actually targets one of these specific niches that I just explained: tech, health, personal finance, how to make money online, real estate, self-improvement. If your channel targets any of these, there's a good chance that sponsorships and brand deals are one click away, but you don't have your email out there. You don't have your email visible. You don't have it easy to be accessible. Other than that, you could reach out to brands. Don't be shy. There's AI. Don't be shy. You could use ChatGPT. Draft me a template for a brand deal outreach campaign. Like, be creative, guys. You don't even have to use your brain. Just use AI. YouTube has this exclusive content membership. Subscribers could become a member. You get paid for the membership. They get exclusive content. They could send you super stickers. They don't even have to be a member to send you super stickers. I've received super stickers for my content. I mean, I'm so grateful. But I'm no different than you. People will be generous. There is an abundance. There's a plethora of resources, especially on YouTube. There's like 5 billion people on the YouTube interface, on the network, on the whatever. They use this for real. Like, you could tap in. We live in an abundant state, guys. Don't be shy. YouTube also has an integrated shop feature that you could sell merch right on the interface, straight directly off of YouTube. You don't have to set up a Shopify store. And again, YouTube isn't about clout, right? It's about building a brand. There's this YouTube channel, I think it's called Moon. They just do video essays. And I'm pretty sure they have merch. If they don't have merch, they should, because trust me, they have about 1 million subscribers now. And all they do is video essays. They don't show their face. And I don't even know if it's them actually narrating the video essays. It could be AI, but I trust and believe that people would buy Moon themed merch because they have a certain logo that they use that never changes, and people would put it on a mug, people would put it on a tumbler, people would put it on a cup, people put on a sticker and put it on their laptop. Trust me when I say AdSense is not the only way to make money on YouTube. And if you think that, oh, I just have to wait for one paycheck a month with that, no, because if you're really serious about this, you would maximize it. If you're really serious about this, you would start multiple channels, try different things, test different things out. Watch my other video that I'm about to make right after this, talking about why not you. It's a law of accumulation, and I'm gonna get into that in the next video. But all these little things that you're gonna be doing will add up. It will make you smarter. It will help you understand how this works. You're gonna understand it now for real. If you just start, you'll bridge the gap between where you're at and where you wanna be. Because you wouldn't press on this video if you weren't trying to make something shake and move for real. I'm giving you all the tea. So if you didn't like this video and subscribe by now, like, you really don't want to level up, because my channel is all about leveling up, finding your better self, finding your higher self, becoming your better self. Like, I really want to help as much people as I can this year and just continue to make my channel exponentially. When I say cohesive brand, I mean your title, your thumbnails, your description, your tags, all have to make sense if you want this to work too. You could have the greatest channel niche, highest paying CPM niche. You could start a tech channel, you could start a travel channel, you could start an investing channel, you could start a trading channel, you could start a personal health, personal finance, self-improvement, anything channel. But if you can't brand it, if you can't put it together with thumbnails that make people actually want to click, if you can't make a title that makes people like think for a second and be like, wait, no, what are they about to say? Then you have to rewind this video, because this is not clicking, because then you're not understanding. It all has to come together. So you need to, once you figure out what you want to focus on, what you want to do, look at other channels, look at what's working for them, and just copy it. Okay? I'm not saying screenshot their thumbnails. I'm saying see what works, see what type of fonts work, see what type of outlines work. Because if you notice a trend, a pattern that actually gets views for other people, there's a reason, okay? That's all I'm saying. I'm just trying to help you guys. And I know this is hitting someone in the chest. It's thumping someone in the chest right now, because I'm telling you guys how to get to this bag for real, how to level up for real. For real. You guys are lucky AI is free. Okay? You guys are lucky some of these coders, inventors are putting their AI in beta mode, meaning that you could try out these new features for free. Use AI. I'm not even going to elaborate on that, because if you're not using AI, you're like literally putting yourself at such a disadvantage because AI makes it so much easy. You guys want to make money online so easy, and now you guys have it. You guys literally have it on a silver platter. AI literally makes the script for you, literally makes the voiceover for you, literally makes the videos for you. Mind you, some of these AI platforms you have to pay to play. Okay, again, like most things, some of these AI platforms, you have to have a subscription to make your text to video. And then you might be like, oh, gee, well, how do I find the free ones? Use AI to find the free ones. I literally put into Chat GPT, give me 5 websites that allow text to speech narrations or AI text to speech narrations that are for free. And guess what AI did? It suggested me websites that I could use the features for free. Stop making excuses because you're missing out. You're missing out. There's so many people that think that making money online isn't real or doesn't work or don't even think about it. And most of these people are stuck in a mundane day in, day out. And I sit and I think that, and most of them are older too. Like most of the people, and I can't even blame them because if you don't grow up in this generation, then you're not really gonna think that it's possible. You're just gonna see what works. But I'm growing up in a generation that I see what works. Okay, older people grew up in a generation that they saw working, clocking in worked. I'm growing up in a generation where I see making money online works. People don't have to clock in, scan an iPad, put their thumb, DNA. Like, people don't have to do that to live for real. And then they invest it, then you do whatever. So that's why I'm making this video. That's why I'm coming to you as a baddie, to tell you to get online. Normally I would say get your up, but I'm telling you to sit your down on a chair, pull a laptop out in front of you, and get to typing, get to writing, scratch your ideas, make AI make a script for you. This is real, like you're playing with your life right now. Use AI plugins to review your analytics. vidIQ. Use vidIQ. vidIQ integrates directly into YouTube. It tells you what tags other channels are using. It tells you what tags people have hidden on their videos. It shows you the competition for certain keywords. Like it's literally a SEO optimization tool. Use it. So again, it doesn't matter which way you decide to make money online, and I can make videos on the other methods and stuff like that. Each method has a learning curve. Each method is going to take a certain amount of time for you to sit and understand it. Each method is going to take a certain amount of time for you to figure out what works for you, but it's about what you're willing to do in order to get. It's about what you're willing to invest in order to see a return. And I'm sitting here telling you that one of the best return on investments with making money online is making a YouTube channel in a profitable niche. And I told you the profitable niches, channels on how to make money online, tech videos, travel videos, and real estate videos. Because there's so many different sides of YouTube, right? But now they're actually showing you smaller accounts. They're actually suggesting smaller accounts that you may be interested in. This happens once every blue moon. Stella, get into it, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my channel. I have way more videos on just leveling up, becoming your better self. And yeah, get into it, man.